Luxury sports cars are coveted by people around the world, and with good reason. The extraordinary skills and materials that go into making them were developed from a long racing heritage. Each one of these automobiles is born from expert craftsmanship and a passion for racing. Underneath the beautiful exterior of these cars lie a chassis and powertrain capable of delivering remarkable performance. The aluminum frame is engineered to be lightweight yet rigid and provide crumple zones that can evenly distribute force in the event of an impact. It takes highly skilled technicians to perform these complex welds. On the factory floor, robots transport the body panels that will later be fitted onto the chassis. Once the frame is completed, technicians use a pneumatic hoist to position and attach exterior panels and doors. Door panel cutouts reduce the car's weight while retaining a high degree of structural integrity. The elongated cutouts on this model will house its stylized headlights. Next, they coat the car in a compound which fluoresces under a special lighting system. This helps technicians detect any minute imperfections. These imperfections are then filed down by hand. Here, a robot fully immerses and rotates the chassis in a galvanizing solution that prevents corrosion. Once the body has been primed, it passes through a device that dusts off the entire body with ostrich feather brushes. Next stop, the paint room, where robots spray the car body with a smooth, even coat of paint. Once the paint dries and cures, the robots apply several coats of varnish. The final step in body prep is a meticulous waxing by hand to remove any remaining blemishes. Moving on to the chassis, a technician uses a hoist to position and fasten the engine and gearbox in place. Here, robots transport the completed powertrain to the assembly area, where an automatic crane gently lowers the car body onto the chassis, which includes the fully assembled suspension, gearbox, and engine. This step is known as the marriage. Next, a worker installs the wheels, with some help from a hydraulic lifting system. At the next station, technicians test all the dashboard components. This vehicle features a combination of analog and digital displays. A master computer runs the electronics and information systems. Again, with the help of a crane, technicians install the finished dashboard. The next step is the steering wheel. Assisted by a special assembly jig, a technician positions and tightens it onto the steering column. Workers lower the trunk cover and convertible hardtop into position, which is particular to this model of car. A worker double-checks the installation of the hydraulic mechanism. This beautiful road machine is the culmination of years of racing history, modern engineering, and dedicated craftsmanship. Now watch this. This is one of the few cars that features a fully automated convertible hardtop. This beauty is now ready for the sun, wind, and the open road.